guys, it's Kelly, the embroidery nurse. Long time no see. I have been so busy in the background doing so many things. But I definitely wanted to pop on today. It's getting ready to be summertime. Whoop, whoop. I've been gearing up for that, buying lots of inventory in regards to summer. And summer equals towels. Oh my goodness, does it equal towels? You can see right back here, I've already started my striped towels. I sell these every year. They are like just a great addition, to any shop. Embroidering towels in the summertime. They're great gifts. They're great, like teacher appreciation things, birthday gifts, whatever. They're just great. But I have a new product and I love these. Now these are more geared, these are definitely kids, but they are hooded towels. They're microfiber, so they're the thin but quick drying, which is, important with kids. Can you see that? How cute are these? And they come in many colors. So it's got a hood, obviously. It's a hooded towel, and it's like a cape. But it has snaps on both sides, so you can open it all the way up. Amazing for embroidery. And here's a close-up of the hood. And here is a close-up of the snaps. They are great. And y'all, the colors are what I am so in love with. Let me just show you. So that's the gray, which is great because that can be used for boys, girls, really anyone. You can do a gray or a pink monogram for a girl. You can do a navy blue, royal blue for a boy. But it comes in 6 colors. So gray, light pink, orange, hot pink, green, and royal blue. Y'all, they're amazing. Let me just show you. Like if you have a storefront, what a cool display you could make with these, because they come pre-rolled for you like this. Isn't that cute? Can you just imagine like a little bucket in the front of your store with all these really, the colors are so vibrant, and if all these sitting in there, love it. You didn't even have to monogram them. They're super cute, but obviously monogramming is something that we do. So you just take it off like this, boop, and it rolls out just like this. So there's the hood. Isn't that awesome? So super cute. So I am going to monogram one of these today. Super easy to do something like this. You can do this on any type of machine. Literally any machine, because it's 100% flat. You open it all the way up. It's just really awesome. So we're going to put a monogram on it and go from there. So summertime is definitely a fun time for personalized gifts. So I hope you're starting to work on some. If you want more information about these, then just let me know. We're going to do another order of them. I told everybody I would show them what they look like open, and then I'd show them a finished product of one embroidered. So hope you guys are doing good. I'm going to go embroider one of these gray ones right now. The family asked for Alabama red. And I get so confused when people, and a little nervous when people don't pick off of my color chart and they tell me a team name, because then I'm like having to go on the internet and make sure I get the right. But they are crimson, so they're not even red. And if I had just said, oh, they want red for Alabama, that would have been wrong. So I'm glad I looked it up, because Alabama is obviously crimson. So anyway, I'm getting ready to do that. Hope you guys are good. I'm just going to pop in here and there, just show you what I'm working on. I know I've kind of been absent, but it's really because I've been doing so much behind the scenes, ordering blanks and selling those and working with suppliers. And today I was focusing 100% on my Etsy shop. So I kept saying, as I'm coming down to my craft room, Etsy only, Etsy only, Etsy only, Etsy only, Etsy only, so I could get caught up with that as well. I've kind of felt like my Etsy has kind of taken a little dive, so I'm glad I've got all these other things behind the scenes going on, because I'm not feeling like that is going in the direction that I want it to. You guys, Etsy's hard, isn't it? Like I feel like I have some days that are absolutely amazing, and I'm like, oh, I'm killing it. And then the next day I get 2 sales. It is absolutely crazy to me. My graph, you can see the graph of your sales. It's never like this. Never. It is always like this. I don't understand it. Like, I'll have an amazing day, or an amazing week. Like, $2,500 that week. And then the next week I might do, like $400. the consistency of it is crazy, and it's just, yeah, especially when you're like trying to plan for something or you know, make budgets and things like that. It's hard. But anyway, stay strong, you guys. People are out there. I think it's just a hard time for people buying extraneous stuff right now. I know tax season, I feel like that probably when people are like working on their taxes and working on money and not sure if they're getting returns, they might, you know, hold off on some expenses. I don't know. I could pretend I know anything about the financial world. That ain't a world that I, you know, process well. So anywho, stay strong with Etsy. You know, if you are interested in blanks, let me know. And let's go check out this super cute hooded towel. Bye guys. So I also wanted to, and forgot to mention, I chose to use my Mighty Hoop, and I'm definitely using tearaway because I don't want anything on the back of a towel. So same for my towels in the back. Now it's funny, I do, you probably heard me say before, I like to assign my machines a job when I'm working on, you know, multiples of things. And right now I have a bunch of these towels to do, so I've assigned the Racoma specifically that. My Racoma machine has a larger hoop size, so I can do the really big 4-inch names that I like to do on the towels. So that's why I've assigned that job to my Racoma, just based on the hoop size alone. And again, for me, assigning each one, like one I'm using fast frames on, one I'm doing appliques on, and right now I'm doing the other towel on another one. So just wanted to share how I kind of break it down. So let's watch this one stitch out. It's pretty quick. They chose a kind of like a bean font, so it won't take it long. Hopefully I found what's considered crimson red or Alabama red, and we'll take it from there. Okay, I've got my light laser right there on top of my grid, so I can take that name off. Oh, I hate when that happens. Alright, so there's a bubble underneath where my project was. I use spray adhesive, so that should be okay. Picking our thread color. Go for it. Oh my God, stop. Y'all see what I did there? Lord Jesus. I literally didn't have my bobbin in. I'm like, what? How did I even do that? So ridiculous. Alright, now y'all are seeing the nitty gritty, so I better clean it out since you're watching. You can obviously tell I got some debris going on. Look at all that. Isn't that beautiful? I really do clean these out fairly regularly, but you wouldn't know it right now. Sometimes the things that, you know, I embroider are more fibrous, so you know, it might have more of this. Woohoo! Hey! And since I've been doing a lot of towels, that certainly can be, you know, what part of this that I'm seeing. But definitely regular maintenance of your machine is good to keep her working good. Oh, there's a wad of something. Oh, just some more. Yeah, this is definitely from some of the towels that I've been working on. There we go. So, you definitely cannot run your machine without your bobbin in it. Bobbins are pretty darn important and can really, really mess up your machine. Okay, so here we go. Take two. Okay. Whew. Real life here, y'all. guys, I'm going to show you as real life as it gets, because I want you to realize that it's not just pressing buttons on embroidery machines. You got to know what you're doing. And obviously I don't know what I'm doing when I'm starting a machine with no bobbin in it. Y'all, did you see that? Ugh. And then you got to see the innards of one of my machines. I really do try to keep upkeep weekly as far as cleaning it out. And I've been doing towels, and so I think that's why there's some extra gunk in there. But anyway, it's clean now. The bobbin's in there. I had taken it out. I don't even know why. I don't know why, but don't take it out. So this is super cute. Like I said, this one was just a super simple font that they requested. This is called Courtside Bean. I think it's so fun. It's just simple. Bean stitch, so it makes it a quick stitch out. And I did use, like I said, just a tear away, so I can just pop this off, tear it off, and we're good to go. Since this is a new product for me, I am going to take a product photo, because I highly, 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 highly recommend every time you do a new product, or one that you just absolutely adore and love, something different, even if it's just a different color of a product you already do, take a product photo. I've got my backdrop here, and like I said, I'm going to take a picture of this. I'm also going to kind of surround this cute one with all the different other color options, so it shows you that this comes in more than one. Because gray doesn't really grab you, really. This font doesn't really grab you either, because it's just so simple. But I do love it. And I'll put like the pinks and the orange and the royal blues around it, so you know, it will kind of pop for that product photo. So hope you enjoy it. I'll show you the product photo at the end of this video. Hope you guys are having an awesome week. Bye. Happy stitching.